Hello there, welcome back. So today I got a 2014 Ford Fiesta. So someone get their instrument cluster replaced, so they asked me to put back the mileage at the correct numbers. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it back. So it should be at 189,000. So as you can see, this one is at 98,002. So they need it at the correct one, guys. So I'm going to put it back there and show you how to do it now, guys. So first, I'm gonna go to special function, go to instrument cluster, agree, instrument cluster, in the American region. Let me see, Ford Lincoln, go back, yeah, Ford Lincoln. And I'm going to look for where it is, Fiesta 2014 type 1. Okay, oh, switch ignition on. So back up on mileage adjustment, go to that one right here, select. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to go to modify mileage right here. Alright, so I'm going to delete these numbers. I'm going to go to 189,000. Just click done. Okay, yes, wait for it. Alright guys, so now it's at the correct mileage now, guys, 189,000. So if you find this very useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.